Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Martin with The Contoured Chemist, and today is a Get Ready With Me, and I'm really excited about this one because it features our brand new collection that happens to be my favorite collection we've ever had. The colors in this one are so good, and it's just a really good deal. So it is called the Golden Coast Collection. If you're interested in seeing me get ready with all of these new colors and want to check it out, keep watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like Get Ready With Me's, and I'll make more for you guys. So I wanted to explain a little about what the Golden Collection is before I hop into the Get Ready With Me. So are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so first of all, it doesn't come in a marble compact. It comes in the Saltair compact, which I don't have in that size, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So this one to me looks most like Carrara marble, which, I mean, come on, who doesn't like Carrara marble, right? But it comes in this big size, all right? And the great thing about this collection is that it's not completely full. So normally in order to get this compact, you either have to buy it separately or you have to completely fill it to get it for free. And it holds a lot, okay? And look how much room you're gonna have. Ignore the fact that my compact is well loved. So you're gonna have all this room if you already have some shades or room to grow. If you're new to mascara, this is a amazing collection to get started with. And it comes with two of my most favorite, most loved brushes, the Buffy. So if you don't follow me on Instagram stories, I just shared my love for this brush and how I use it for my full face. And I use it for my highlighting and contouring completely in this video, so you can see how I use it. And then the blend and tap brush, which is my absolute must have brush for that outer corner. It like makes it so much easier. I can never use another brush again. So you get all of this, all right? And the colors in here are good. So the way that our collections work is that it's discounted. Mascara never comes out with like sales or anything like that, but occasionally they come out with a collection or some kind of promotion for the holidays. So just FYI, this is for the summer. It's called Golden Coast, and these are the colors that will come in it. The way it works is that you choose your main highlight and all the other colors are chosen for you. So for me, my main highlight all over color is Sandy. So I chose the Sandy Golden Coast collection. And then the rest of the colors are chosen based on how dark of your skin tone it is. So this one automatically comes with amber as a secondary highlight, olive as a contour. It comes with indigo contour, Bella bronzer, and then I believe all the lip and cheeks are the same. So Summer Love, the brand new, two of the brand new ones, Sadie and Lolly, and then Rose Gold Cream Illuminator. And then my favorite part of the collection is these colors that they chose. They're so good. So you get Glamazing Powder Illuminator, and then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eyeshadows. And you guys, this baby down here is our very first cream eyeshadow that they just came out with. That's Arabian Night. So good. These colors can be used in so many ways. I feel like these are the colors I use almost on a daily basis anyway. Like, those are what I'm drawn towards. So in this tutorial, I showed as many as I possibly could for this eye look. In fact, I think I use all of them except for Peppa, but I love that color just on its own. So I even show the cream. All right, so anyway, those are all the colors. They are so good. They're already low in stock. Hopefully by the time I get this video posted, they won't be gone because this collection is just that good. So I'll drop a link below if you want to grab one. The only other things I added, of course, you guys know my love for brushes. I couldn't like not use any, but of course mascara. The Perfector sponge is absolute need. Stay spray and a powder to set. So I'm normally, you guys know I'm a color corrector. Underneath my sandy, I normally wear mango, but you guys, this makeup's amazing. I got great coverage using just that one highlight, and then I normally brighten with a much lighter highlight, and I feel like I still gotten that bright effect just with one shade down, which is amber, which comes in this set. So you're golden. If you're needing a color match, hit my form below and send it to me, and I can tell you which one of the collections you need to pick up in order to get the closest colors just for you. And that's it. So keep watching if you want to see how I got this look, and thank you guys so much for being here.